Hello programmers, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we are going to do the following program. So the program says that a library charges fine for books and following other fines. So a librarian we can do librarian. So a librarian charges fines. The following fines are charged by this librarian. So if the person, for the first 5 days, the person has to pay 40 paise per day, and 6 to 10 days, if he or she is 6 to 10 days late, then he has to pay 65 paise per day, and if above 10 days, then 80 paise per day. So we have to calculate the fine assuming that a book is returned n days late, where n is taken as the input. So for this program we're going to use the switch case statement, and let's begin. So today's program's class name is fine. So let's begin with the program, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share to the channel, share this video. Okay, so scanner sc equals new scanner system dot in. Now let's take int, let's take there's one more extra. Okay, let's take int a, that's the n days late, so let's take n only for better clarification. Okay, int n, and let's ask the value of n. So enter how many days you have been late. Okay, so n equals sc dot next, int int. Okay, so this is done. Now let's start with the switch case. N case here, case. Now if 1 day late, so we'll just tell how many paise he or she has to pay, because that's what we have to calculate. So you have to pay how many rupees? That's 40 paise per day, so 40 paise. Now there's also how to make a rupee sign, I'll tell you that. Okay, so what we do is here, just a second, yeah, backslash u, small u, lowercase u, 2 0 uppercase B and 9. So if you want to use this, you can use it, and make sure this is in double quotes. Okay, so just like the backslash n, this also works in double quotes. Okay, now this is done. Let's begin, and okay, now break is very important, as I told you. Now let's begin with case 2. So case 2, let's not waste the time and copy paste it, because we have many. Above 10 days, that we'll do with if. Okay, case 2, that is you have to pay how many? So we'll just multiply 40 into 2. Okay, so we can do this as fast, like we'll not need to calculate it. What we'll do is we'll just add here. So that's 40 into 2. Don't forget the plus sign to add. So the computer will calculate itself. Okay, make sure you add the brackets, if just for safety, Okay, this is done. Okay, so you have to pay 40 into 2. Now let's copy this one, this is much better. Okay, case 3, so that will be 40 into 3. See, this will be much faster. So case 4 now, so that's 40 into 4, and case 5, that will be 40 into 5. So I'll just do it and let you know. Okay, yeah, case 5 into 5. After this we have to do 6 to 10 days. So I'll do it, and then I'll just crop this part. Okay, so I have done the cases till case 10, and that is you have to pay 65 into 5 and yeah, rupees. So now the next is if above 10 days, then they have to pay 80 paise per day. So what I'll do is I'll use the if statement. Okay, so if n is greater than 10, greater than or equal to 10, then what we have to do, it's very simple. Just print 80. That is it's written in the question that if above 10 days, then 80 paise per day. So 80 multiplied by multiplied by n, right? Whatever the number of days, just multiplied by that. So we'll just add the statement as well. You have to pay okay, we can add plus backslash u20b9. Okay, done. Let's run this program. Close, right click, new file, and here void main. How many days have you been late? So let's say 7 days. You have to pay 130 rupees. If you want to add this space, I'll tell you that also. If you want to add the space, then what you have to do, just add spaces here. That's simple. Just add spaces here and we're done, right? So we have these spaces here, here, and here. Compile, close. Let's run it. Let's try more than 10 days. Let's say 15 days. You have to pay 1,200 rupees. It's looking so neat. This program was really creative. It was a nice question and I enjoyed it very much, and I hope you also might have enjoyed it. You can take the screenshot in 2 parts. That's the first part and that's the second part. Okay, maybe not 2 parts, but yeah, 3 parts. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video and you got to learn a lot of things. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share.